Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be showing you how to screen share your Apple iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to download 3 utils, which you could find in, like, you just go into Google and search it up. 3 utils. And you just download it from here. Just press download that. So I've already got it installed, but what you want to do is you want to click 3U AirPlay on here. So you go to Toolbox and then you go to 3U AirPlay. So you've gone here, and then what you want to do is you're gonna go into your iPhone. Whoops. Go into your iPhone and go to screen mirroring. Click on it and it should show up with your PC on it. Let me just check. I think I might have to turn my Bluetooth on. There we go. So you will see this. You will see something come up like that. It will be your PC. Just click on it. It will show you the name here, what you want to connect to, and there you go. Pull there. And there you go, that's how you do a screen share. So other than that, thank you for watching, and catch you all in the next one. Peace.